Yes, good afternoon, ladies and gents. This is Nomadic Chef. You can see on the fire we have a coconut and a cocoa. You can see, there you go. So we're getting it banned. It's just a simple recipe, and we're getting it banned, and then we'll let you guys know when it's cooked. So stay tuned, and yeah, see you guys. Bye. Yes, ladies and gents, we are back again. You can see the coconut is nice and tender cooking, and the cocoa is ready, and the fire is where we perfectly will want it. So yeah, stay tuned, and we'll let you guys know when it is. Yes, you can see we're getting rid of the choppers. Is scraping it, applying a little water on top of it. Yes, so stay tuned. We'll let you know when it's ready. All right, guys. We are back again. This is the final part of the cocoa and the coconut that we cooked on the fire. It's a simple recipe, and we just want to bring the idea that how you can cook the cocoa and coconut just on the fire. So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe, put thumbs up. This is Nomadic Chef, and stay tuned for more of these videos. Yep.